Important HVAC safety tips to follow when you have a house full of kids. When you have a new HVAC system at home, it's important to take precautions to ensure your kids are safe. It may not seem like a big deal to you, but kids are naturally curious. If you're not careful, this could lead to a dangerous situation. Here are some HVAC safety tips to follow if you've got a house full of kids. Secure the vents. Make sure your vents are securely nailed or screwed so that children can't move them. Keep remotes away. Battery-powered remotes for your HVAC system can be dangerous if swallowed by toddlers. Lock furnace access. The furnace system in a home will usually be in a closet or the basement. The system includes burners, a condensate drain pan, electrical components, and a blower motor. If kids have easy access to this, they could end up cutting or burning themselves. Make sure thermostats are out of kids' reach. The thermostat is essential to maintain the temperature within the house. Make sure children can't tamper with its settings at all by keeping it out of their reach. Block access to the condenser outdoors. Outdoor condenser units should be kept blocked from the access of children. This can be done through fencing. Schedule routine HVAC repair and HVAC service. Make sure you get a professional to carry out HVAC repair and HVAC service at least once a year so that problems may be diagnosed and fixed. Old systems can also be replaced in time.